Group C is settled and feeding normally. All sensors are tracking data perfectly. Heart rate is steady at 52. Recording. Respiration looks good.
Craftsmanship meets modern precision. Every detail is perfectly executed. Welcome to the belt production section.
Here is the next batch for you.
Perfect, thank you.
At Finding Solutions, we define luxury. Every detail is crafted to perfection. Elevate your style with our exclusive collection. Discover the art of refined living.
The packaging section is just ahead.
Okay, I see the team is ready for the headphones.
We must handle these with care.
At Finding Solutions, every detail matters. Quality checks continue right up to delivery.
Stack that last one on the left. Okay, looking good. We are clear for shipping.
All right, closing bay 3.
The Finding Solutions facility integrates production, storage, and global distribution. Our massive scale streamlines the manufacturing journey from start to finish.
Everything looks perfect.
The lighting highlights the texture beautifully.
Finding Solutions is ready for the launch. From raw materials to finished luxury, this is where precision meets perfection.